Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Let us know who you'd like us to draw for you in the comments. We'd really appreciate it. We're having fun doing these football players, and today we're going to do Garrett Wilson of the New York Jets. Garrett Wilson is the wide receiver. Played college football at Ohio State for the Buckeyes. Was a first-round draft pick, number 10th overall to the Jets in 2022, and won the Offensive Rookie of the Year. So Garrett Wilson is a superstar. Let's find the center of our page up and down, center of our page across. Get your dark marker, pointed tip. Now we'll do in the center up top, Garrett Wilson's face. So we'll do the jawline really quick. We're gonna go down to the chin, over and up, kind of like a strawberry. All right, he's got a little bit bigger, wider ears, so we're gonna do some ovals on the side of his head, a little bit bigger than some of our other characters. We're gonna go up, up. Now we're gonna do the hair, okay? So the hair is gonna do these squiggly lines, bumpy lines that go up to a point in the middle, and then starts to come down and round off to connect to the side of the head. Sort of like a mushroom, okay? So we're gonna go up, up, in, up, up, and now we're gonna connect with an arch, okay, for the forehead. So connect that hairline like so, and then we're gonna do a couple of sideways ovals for Garrett Wilson's eyes. And there we go. On the inside, we'll do a circle, a smaller circle in the corner there, and then an arch and an arch. These items all stay white. We're gonna fill in the eye with our dark marker. Those circles and the arch are highlights for the eye. They are the reflections of the light off of the character's eyes that bring life and interest to our character. So I like to put my marker down really quick and grab a light blue. Can be any type of light blue. And I like to fill this area in with a blue. It's like playing outside or under the stadium lights. You get these reflections of blue off your eyes sometimes. Plus it adds some interest. So let's do the eyebrows. We're gonna do an arch, and then an arch down to a point, and an arch down to a point. Okay, we can color that eyebrow in with our dark marker. We're gonna do the nose next. So the nose, if you follow the inside of the eye down, dot, the inside of this eye down and make a dot, that's the edge of your nose. Okay, so we're gonna go up, down, and around. And we'll color these edges, or these nostrils in, to make them look like sideways raindrops. And then bring an arch around that nose for the nostril. Now find the center of the face, come down a little bit, make a dot. That's gonna be the center of the mouth. Okay, so we'll go up, down, and up, down, and up. Find the corner of the mouth, come down, flat, and up. The inside of the mouth, we always color the inside of the mouth with these kind of dark on the corners there. And let's do the bottom lip. Now Garrett Wilson's lip's gonna be wide up here, down, and connect. Couple smile lines on the side of the mouth. He's got a small mustache, so we're gonna follow this lip, scribbling up and down and stop, scribble up and down to the corner of the mouth and stop. There we go. And he's got a little dimple in his chin, so we'll do a small black. Okay, so now let's do the neck. Line down, come to a V in the middle. And let's do the shoulder pads, bump out, and bring it down, round. And we're gonna do come down to the waist, straight across, and up to the armpit area, okay? So next, let's do a big football over here. Garrett Wilson will be holding this big football, some big arches down to a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding onto that football. His bicep comes out, his muscle, and into that football. Bump out and into the football. Other arm over here will bump out. A longer bump to a wrist. And we're gonna do the thumb to the wrist. We can do a finger on the inside there. So he's got some black wristbands right there. And we are going to, he also untucks his shirt. So we're gonna bump out on the waist there. Come straight across to connect. And we'll do some skinnier legs because Garrett Wilson's a wide receiver. And they are usually, wide receivers are usually skinny and fast. So some smaller, skinnier legs. And up and down. Start wide at the knee and come down to a skinny ankle. Start wide at the knee and come down to a skinny ankle. And we're gonna do some big oversized shoes right here for Garrett Wilson. There's the tongue of the shoe, there's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Bring it out to the edge and drop down. Come straight across to the heel and stop and connect that heel. Bring this heel down. Come straight across to the edge of the other page. Make a rounded toe and connect to the shoelace. All right, cool. Looking good. We are going to do the number 17 in black because there's a black outline around the number. So we're gonna go a long rectangle for the number 1. I'm gonna actually fill that in a little thicker, so go around it again. Do the number 7 now. Angle down, straight across, come down, and angle to connect. And once again, I'm gonna go around it. Go over it one more time to make the 7 thicker with this black line. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna put this dark marker away for a minute, grab the Jets green, and we're gonna start this shoulder pad over here. We're gonna do a pointed triangle. So kind of arch down toward the number 17 and then arch back over to the shoulder, okay? Now, we're gonna do a stripe on the side of the pant that's green. Stripe over here that's green. And we're gonna do the socks green. We'll do a green stripe on the shoe. And the reason I'm scribbling this in, I'm just kind of showing you what we will fill in when I hit fast forward. And this jersey will be green, okay? And we'll do the New York in our Prismacolor. Prismacolor are high quality color pencils. You can look in the links of the description. Purchase your own Prismacolors using that link. I like to use a white Prismacolor to go on top of the green jersey and write the word New York, okay? So there you go. That's what we'll do in the fast forward. We are going to fast forward now. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys for joining us. Let us know in the comments what you think of this drawing, what you think of Garrett Wilson, and who your favorite players are. Fast forward now.